Welcome to Top 5 Auto Repairs. And today's topic, I'd like to discuss why your vehicle cannot go faster than 30 miles per hour. There are a lot of different reasons why this can occur. Based on my experience as a mechanic for over 17 years, I'll tell you what I normally encounter. So, the most common problem I have noticed is going to be a faulty electronic throttle body. So basically, when you have an issue with the electronic throttle body, you may see a warning light showing up, and it may say something like this: engine reduced power. When that occurs, the computer is going to automatically set the vehicle into limp mode. This will occur on most vehicles. Not all vehicles, but most. So when you get this warning light, reduced engine power, you're going to notice that you cannot go faster than 30 miles per hour. When you step on the gas pedal, you'll realize that your vehicle is just not going to go anywhere. And basically, you're stuck in second gear. So this is basically what the computer is doing, is preventing your vehicle from going faster. Why it does this is because it's a safety feature. Basically, the speed, 30 miles per hour or 40 miles per hour, is just enough to drive to the auto shop to get a repair. So you cannot go faster than that. So when you get reduced engine power, reduced engine power, that means you have a faulty electronic throttle body. Faulty electronic throttle body. In most cases, when you replace the electronic throttle body, I can guarantee you maybe 80% of the time or more, this is going to fix your issue. Now, the second most common problem, I'm pretty much most of you guys already know already. You're going to have a bad transmission. So basically, when you have a bad transmission, your vehicle speed can just be limited at anywhere basically. It could be 20 miles per hour, 40 miles per hour, 30 miles per hour, 50 miles per hour. It doesn't really matter. So most time, this can be caused by bad clutch in the transmission. You can have electronic issues such as bad shift solenoid. You could have bad valve body, etc. So basically, when you have bad transmission, you want it to get it checked out professionally, because diagnosing a bad transmission is not always easy. So make sure you take it to a transmission shop and make sure you get it properly diagnosed. So the third most common problem that most of you guys probably don't even know, you probably have a clogged catalytic converter. So basically, the engine must inhale air and exhale. When your catalytic converter is clogged, it cannot exhale air. So basically what happened is all that heat that's supposed to escape and exhaust fume is now kind of backing up into the engine. So when that occurs, it makes it difficult for the engine to work. It basically needs to work harder. So to find out whether you got a bad catalytic converter or not, you're most likely going to get some sort of code such as P0420. So let's put that down. Number 3, P0420 code. So basically this means that your catalytic converter is inefficient. It's not working 100% or even 98%. So basically it fell below a certain threshold and now it's triggering a P0420 code. Again, that's most likely is caused by clogged catalytic converter. So basically, to check whether you got a bad or clogged catalytic converter is to conduct a back pressure test. I'm pretty sure most of you guys don't have the tool to do that, and so on. So I'm going to give you a few guidelines, most likely why you have a bad catalytic converter. So number 1, again, you got P0420 code. The next one, since it's most likely you're going to have a clogged catalytic converter, what you want to do is you want to get yourself a rubber mallet. And with a rubber mallet, you want to tap on the catalytic converter. And if it suddenly start making a lot of rattling noise inside, most likely that honeycomb structure and the catalytic converter is falling apart. Another way to check if your catalytic converter is clogged or not is basically you want to use a infrared thermometer. So basically you want to check you want to warm your engine until it reaches operating temperature. Once you get that up, you want to take your infrared thermometer and you want to check the front end of the catalytic converter and the back end of the catalytic converter, and you want to compare the two. So basically, if you get a reading in the front and a reading in the back, you want to check that if the back reading temperature is significantly lower than the front end, that means the exhaust fume is not passing through. So most likely the temperature is going to be a lot lower. And if the temperature is a lot lower, most likely you got a faulty catalytic converter. So basically that's going to sum up for today's lesson. And thank you for watching. And please subscribe to Top 5 Auto Repairs.